Nature-inclusive design of wind farms. Installing piles. Hammering gives noise. To reduce noise, use bubble curtain, vertical vibration, jetting or twisting. These are alternatives for noise reduction. Scour mitigation. Mixed rocks to create small holes. With larger rocks, create larger holes, make it even more eco-friendly. Create stepping stones for large reef establishment. What is the effect on animals of electromagnetic fields of the cables? Define eco-friendly routing. Add rocks where cables are crossing. Multi-beam. Moving sand waves. And then, because of the current, you see mixing behind poles, creating turbulence. Warm and colder water is mixing. How to use the layout of a wind farm to optimize this in a good way. The effect of the monopile on water quality, corrosion, pH and O2. Monopile as habit to create better water quality. Integrate different functions for animals on the monopile. Measure and monitor effects with ADCP. Use eDNA for modeling, monitoring. To summarize, mitigate negative effects and enhance biodiversity.